In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you'll be doing well. Let us learn idioms and phrases. Part 1. Aim. Meanings and use. Number 1 idiom is birds of same feather, meaning people of same nature and habits. Sentences. Birds of same feather rest and fly together. The two friends were birds of same feather, so both had the same choice of everything they did. Number 2. Bring somebody to book, meaning punish somebody. Sentences. The corrupt people should be brought to book before it is too late. The court has decided to bring the culprits to book after their confession of the crime. Number 3. Beat about the bush, meaning avoid discussing the main topic or point. Sentences. He just beat about the bush and did not come to the main point. He has no knowledge of the topic, so he is beating about the bush. Number 4. Be in one's bonnet, meaning to have an idea, interest, or obsession. Sentences. He has a bee in his bonnet to change the plan. She has a bee in her bonnet for new picnic points. He had a bee in his bonnet that prompted him to invent something new. Number 5. Bring home the bacon, meaning succeed or achieve something. Sentences. He brought home the bacon by joining a big company with a lot of facilities. She can bring home the bacon by opening her own parlor because she has a lot of talent. I think this video is useful to you. If you find this useful, like this video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.